Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to showcase what it is or what you have to do in order to get ready to film a YouTube video. So if you like to see this video, just keep watching. All right guys, so here I am on my live and craziness. I didn't braid down my hair yet, as you can see. So like I said, we're gonna just basically go through the motions on what you have to do in order to prepare yourself for video content. So the first thing I normally do, if I haven't already done this, is braid down my hair and like slap a wig on, because you know, it's no shame in my game. I don't like having to deal with this craziness every day. So it's easier for me to put two braids, put on a wig, keep it moving. And also too, like matter of fact, even before I do that, probably the number one thing I do is try to figure out something to wear. Since I am filming this on my phone and you know, I don't have that much space, I always try to find something so that you can see that I have a top on, or try to give you the illusion that I have on a top. So it's basically, I have on this shirt here and some leggings. So, because I know 9 times out of 10, you're never gonna see my bottom, so I don't really sweat that part that much, but I just try to, like I said, make sure I have on a top. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a necklace on later after I've done my hair. I've done my makeup and everything. No, back up. I'm probably gonna put the necklace on just so that you can see it, since the neckline is low. But again, let's get into my hair, because that normally takes me the longest. Okay, so I just wanted to pause really quick to talk about the hair oil that I use, because I do on my scalp when I braid my hair, or braid it and re-braid it. So I just wanted to put this in there. I use the Marian Hampton hair growth oil. It has black seed castor oil and rosemary in it. I think this does a really good job. I've noticed like some difference in the length of my hair, even within like 1 month. I've been using it for some time, but I've just noticed like significant growth from 1 month to the next. So, you know, shout out to this hair oil. If you don't have this in your life, you need it. And again, this is the Marian Hampton hair growth oil. Okay. All right guys, so I finished my braids, and Lumi, my dog Lumi, he's down here like snoring. So if you hear anything, that's him. Okay, so after I do that, now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some jewelry. Let me go grab it. Okay, and the wig that I'm gonna be using is the Ginny style by Model. It's like discontinued, I guess, because I can barely find it. But the one I have here has blue in it. I think it's cute. Kind of goes with the top, whatever. But yeah, does anybody else, like, if you wear a wig, do you wear a wig grip? I don't know. I think that's what this is called. Yeah, it's just supposed to keep your edges intact and everything like that. It's just like you put it with it. But anyway, let me get this on. All right guys, so hair done, jewelry on. Let's talk about the nail. Yes, my nail broke yesterday at work, and didn't have time to fix it. I worked like 9.5 hours yesterday. Yeah, something like that. 10, I don't know, something crazy. If you don't know, I do work at seasonally. I can't say seasonally. One of my many jobs is working at Bath and Body Works down here in Georgia, and yesterday was Candle Day, so Yeah, just in the hype of that, I broke a nail. So yes, don't bash me. I didn't get a time to fix it because today is Sunday and my place is closed on Sunday. And I, not too long ago, got out the hospital. So yeah. Anyway, now that this is done, I have to do my makeup, right? So I'm gonna actually stop this and then have to restart it because I'm gonna move to my makeup room. And I do apologize for my clock. This bathroom clock is probably the loudest clock in the hitch in the world. So it was my background noise, if you will. But anyway, I'm going to set up in front of my makeup table and be right back. All right, guys, so I am back and we are about to do our makeup. Now, since I am literally not going anywhere, I'm not gonna be as, meticulous as I would if I was going out, but at the same time, meaning when I say meticulous, I'm saying like I'm not gonna be putting on 25 layers of primer and all that stuff like that because, like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally putting this on to film a video, well, another video, and then taking it off, taking a shower and going to bed because currently, let's see, it is 10:36 at night. Yes. So, I think this might be my first time filming a video at night. Most of the time I'm not home. So hence the reason why the lighting is all off. I tried to turn on the light on the in the hallway to kind of give us some more light, whatever have you, but this is the best I can do. Do apologize for that. But I did want to do this video while I had the time, and also just because I was supposed to do it. I had in my head I had planned to do it today, but just earlier in the day. But I think when you go to the hospital, I don't know if anybody has found this, but I think they put like sleep gas in the air or something, because no matter what, I always end up sleeping like the next day and even the next day depending on what I went in there for. But anyway, sorry, let's start our makeup. I don't think I'm gonna talk through this. I think I'm just gonna speed through this because I do want to get to the end, to the next part. All right. So I forgot to say, typically what I do, like especially if I do a video that I don't talk a lot in, or I do a voiceover or something like that, I am either watching another YouTuber, so I'm watching YouTube, or I'm watching like TV or listening to music. So like a lot of times you'll be seeing me like, that's how I'm listening to music or whatever else. But I'm about to put my iPad on and probably finish watching my episode of Arrow. So that's what I've been binging lately. I'm gonna do that. All right, guys, so I'm back finally. I know it took me forever to do my makeup. I was just like watching Arrow and I got so into it, I just completely forgot what I was doing. I mean, I knew I was doing it, but you understand. Anyway, so this is my look. I decided to do a red lip because, it's holiday season. I don't know. Just felt like doing red lip. Just felt like doing something different. So hence the reason why I didn't do too much to the eyes. Just put on a very matte brown. That's uninterrupted by matte. And yeah, that's it. So I am going to do, let me back up. The video that I am going to do after this one will be about a Bath and Body haul. It'll be the candle day, and it'll be also what I got on Black Friday. So that's what it's going to be about. So now that I have done my makeup, next thing is you know, getting the stuff ready to kind of film the content. So I had, last night I prepped this morning, I said to myself, well, let me take all the candles out of the bags so that it'll be easier to talk about, you know, so I won't be pulling them out the crates and stuff like that. So I put them on the bench that I have in front of my bed. So I'm going to just basically drag that bench in here. And then I have my Black Friday stuff behind this backdrop. I'm just going to pull that around. Once I do that, I'll start that video. So I guess my apologies in advance for having on this same top, but like I said, it is the same day, and basically just filming the content after this, like what's next. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Shout out to my babies, Martha, Mary, my little prince, Mary, Martha, Charlotte, my little prince. Thank you everybody for subscribing and watching. I love you all, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.